Hello, today I'm going to show you how to perform a titration using a pH meter. The equipment you need is a pH meter, a burette stand, a large beaker, distilled water, acid and alkali, a funnel, a stirring rod and a pipette and pipette filler. I've already set up my burette and added my 25 centimetres cubed of alkali into the beaker. If you need more information on how to do that, please see my other video on titration using an indicator. So I have my 25 centimetres cubed of alkali in my beaker and my acid is up to the 0 mark. I've already calibrated my pH meter and I'm going to put the probe into the beaker. Because I've only got 25 centimetres cubed of alkali and I didn't want to use a smaller beaker in case it got too full, I'm going to have to add some distilled water to ensure that the probe is fully immersed in solution. So I'm going to pour some distilled water to ensure that probe is fully immersed. I've got a results table, and to start with I will swirl my liquid and take a reading. So my pH to start with is 12.01. I will write that in my results table for a 0 volume of acid. Because I'm using a pH meter, I will keep the pH meter immersed and I'm going to add 1 centimetres cubed at a time, taking a pH reading after each 1 centimetres cubed of acid. Swirling each time, and when the pH stabilises, I will record it. And then the next centimetres cubed. Swirling, record it. Carry on like that until 50 centimetres cubed has been added. Repeat this 3 times, so 3 times I'm adding in the full amount. Take an average pH for each volume of acid that's been added and then plot that on a graph. I can then find where my equivalence point is when pH 7 is reached and see what volume of acid that was to reach that equivalence point. I can then use that volume of acid to calculate the concentration of my unknown solution. Thank you.